Like everything. I mean,
Used to bunk classes?
Yeah. A lot. A lot. Not listen to my teachers. Fight. Do everything possible. मैं बहुत rebel थी. So yeah, I mean, I know you're giving me those expressions, but that doesn't really go with my...
because it's difficult to imagine you doing
Exactly,
all that.
that's why you're giving me those expressions, but yeah, that's how it is.
But kabhi, did you do well in your exams then eventually
Very
after
average.
all that? Okay.
I was very studious, back in schools. 12th, I was like 94.25 something.
Wow. When I look at myself as Hina, I would say that, TK, I'm also beauty with brains, but the way Rubia uses her brains for all the wrong reasons, Hina wouldn't do that.
We will have like few scenes together.
I know.
But unfortunately, we didn't add even a single scene together.
We did not
But
really. I'm meeting her for the first time. Sometimes, I don't know, maybe it can be intimidating for people because I don't like to, I don't really indulge in a lot of things on sets.
I think right now, if you talk about nudity, it's complete no-no. It's a deal maker for me.
Did you miss being at the Cannes this year?
Arey yaar, how much yaar. I really like that girl. She's done so well. Yeah.
Nancy.
We are so proud of her, with what she's done on the carpet.
Hi Hina, hi
Hello.
Anushka, welcome to News 18.
Thank you.
Thank
Thank
you.
you so much.
How are you? Tired?
Very well. Thank you.
Excited, I must say.
I am a little tired.
We'll try to keep it as fresh as possible.
As interesting as
Yes,
possible.
absolutely. So I've seen the trailer of Namakul. The trailer is really fun, I think. And while, the story may be something that a lot of us haven't experienced, but I think this little tidbits about, desire and all of that, we all have felt like, right? So tell me, what's the most unruly thing you've done in college?
Unruly thing. I really need to think about it because again, I am...
Were you a rebel in college?
No, I was a very...
class attend nahi karna and all of that.
Everything I've done was unruly. So, I mean, there's not one thing.
Like what?
Like everything. I mean...
Used to bunk classes?
Yeah. A lot. Not listen to my teachers. Fight. Do everything possible. मैं बहुत rebel थी. So yeah, I mean, I know you're giving me those expressions, but that doesn't really go with my...
because it's difficult to imagine you doing
Exactly,
all that.
that's why you're giving me those expressions, but yeah, that's how it is. Yep, I was like that. Take it.
Wow, that's a revelation. What about you?
But for you, if you say that bunking the classes, for us, it was not never. We always used to go for the college, but never to the class. Because we were always on grounds for our dramatics. So we were just preparing for stage plays and street plays, but never we went to class. Only for the practicals we used to go to class, and our teachers were like, you are from the same class. So that has been my college life, and it was major dramatics, not classes.
But did you do well in your exams then eventually
Very
after
average.
all that? Okay.
I was very studious, back in schools. 12th, I was like 94.25 something.
Wow.
And then when I came to college, it was like 60-65. क्योंकि पूरा shift हो गया था dramatics को लेके.
उतना तो चलता है. Yeah. Okay, but coming to this show, what is very interesting is I think these two characters, these women characters, yours is you're openly asking for a situationship, right?
No. It's not just us. There is a lot which is interesting in the show. The boys are so interesting.
I'm sure.
Their journey is so interesting. It's not just us. I mean, every character in this show has a unique journey. Like Mayank is extremely different than Piyush. So Piyush has his own journey. Mayank thoda rebel ho jata hai, but Piyush still believes in love. She has her own journey, social media journey and all of that. Rubia has her own journey. So everyone has a part to play. It's not just two of us.
Well, I'm saying that because you are sitting in front of me,
Acha.
like that. Of course, I mean, filmmaking is a collaborative effort. Everybody's character needs to be strongly written and everybody needs to perform well. Of course, that goes without saying. I'm just saying that, what I really liked about your characters is that what I'm talking about. You have no qualms asking, for that, I want to be in a situationship with you. And you're openly, you're embracing your sexuality in the show. We get a little glimpse of that. How liberating is it to play these characters?
There were a lot of things which I never ever said or played or in a way in my real life, but I got to play them as Minty, which is definitely interesting, and I think I am a girlfriend of somebody who is rowdy in the college, and then I am somewhere somehow trying to,
find my own place.
Find my own place, and I think to an extent she has her vision clear, though she just live in her own realm, and her vision is clear that I want to achieve this in my life. Whatever it comes, whatever it takes, I mean, by hook or by crook.
By crook,
So she's enjoying that, and so on camera, I was very excited to do that, and I enjoy doing that.
Yeah. Hina, what do you have to say?
Same. I think Rubia is a character in this series. She's this beauty with brains sort of a character, and she knows she's Dean's wife, and she's got this upper hand in the college, and she can rule amongst the boys. She's this ultimate fantasy of the college students. So
Yeah.
she knows what she wants in life. She's very focused. She knows her goal, and as she said, by hook or by crook, she will achieve it. But she knows she'll not cross the line, or nor let anyone cross that line.
Yeah.
Right? वो बातों से रिझाएगी, सब करेगी, मीठी मीठी बातें करेगी, but उससे ज़्यादा अपने स्पेस में किसी को आने नहीं देगी. If you'll watch the entire show, she has not let Piyush come close to her.
Yeah. Oh.
I mean, not at all. Just sending some pictures, थोड़ी मीठी मीठी बातें करना, and Piyush is flat. So that's how Rubia is. Like, she will make you do things you would never imagine to do, and that's what exactly happened.
Yeah.
I mean, if you'll watch the show, you'll know. So yes, she knows her goal, and she's very, very focused.
Lovely. I mean, that's what I'm saying. Her sexuality sort of becomes like this powerful weapon, for her. She wields it in her own way, and which is lovely, I think. But Hina,
Women, I tell you.
yeah, of course. We should embrace ourselves.
Isn't
the we
it?
are.
Yeah,
Of course.
yeah.
No, but Hina, I'm saying that, when you look at it from, let's say, a surface level, it can be like your character has a little bit of this titillation angle to it. You as an actor, how do you tread that fine line so that you don't make it distasteful, let's say?
See, I'll tell you something. Some characters you play are fictitious. Okay.
Yeah.
So those characters have nothing to do with the real life. You may not, when I say beauty with brains, when I look at myself as Hina, I would say that okay, I am also beauty with brains, but the way Rubia uses her brains for all the wrong reasons, Hina wouldn't do that, right?
Yeah.
Rubia, in a way, after a certain point of time, becomes evil. That's her character. That's the part she's playing in the series, right? And I loved it to the T. I really, really enjoyed it because I have done a negative before. So I know the space. You don't do such things. When you compare it to the real life, nobody does such things in real life, right? So for me, I am playing a fictitious character. And when I play a character, I go on sets, I play a character, and I leave it there. And when it comes on screen, I make sure, and I always make sure that I tell people, and people are very smart nowadays, and even the audiences know that this character is fictitious. Nobody does this. और जिसको जो करना है वो फिर भी करेगा.
करने वाले.
I mean, it's as simple as that. Not that I am going to influence anyone. And we all have such characters in real life as well. People are, unfortunately, evil. People have bad thoughts about people. So she's one of those characters, but it is fictitious, that's all. And I don't mind playing such character at all. I enjoyed playing Rubia thoroughly.
Right. Were you intimidated by the fact that you would be in a show which has Hina Khan in it?
I was excited. I was very
How
excited, and I
sweet.
was honestly expecting that we will have like few scenes together.
I know.
But unfortunately, we didn't have even a single scene
No,
together.
we did not
But-
really. I'm meeting her for the first time.
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah.
But I would love to mention there was a dance sequence where 4 of us are on stage
Hanji,
and
yeah.
she's sitting. And I was legit, I went backstage and it's like, because it was just her shoulder, I guess, and in the crowd actually. And I think she sat there for hours actually.
Yeah.
I was like, wow. If it would have been just the shoulders, like, yeah, theek hai, kisi aur se le lo. But she was there for the entire day.
Sweet.
We didn't have time to chat because we had few dance sequences. But I think It's great.
Yeah,
it's
yeah.
great to be on the poster together.
Absolutely.
No, we'll work inshallah for sure together.
Hina,
I mean,
do you still have co-actors coming up to you telling you that, oh, we are intimidated by your presence? Because I have heard a lot of people saying that Hina can be intimidating.
How do you define being intimidated by me? Like there are, I had an encounter, Abhi, I was shooting in Uttarakhand. I was shooting with these boys and they kept on telling me ki, you know, we had a certain image about you when we started shooting with you. And now that when we work with you, we were a little taken aback by your appearance and the way you are on set. See, I am extremely active and extremely conscious on sets. Like I will only focus on my performance and this. So sometimes, I don't know, maybe it can be intimidating for people because I don't like to, you know, I don't really indulge in a lot of things on sets. And when it's action and cut in between that, you will I mean, I'm extremely serious that time. I'll not be cracking jokes and nobody can laugh in my scene or do all of that. And even if you're using your shoulders, you have to give me expressions, you have to give me proper looks because I do that for you. Right?
Okay, okay.
Uske baad aap karo.
Very nice.
उसके बाद आप करो जो आपको करना है. So sometimes people get a little intimidated कि यार, no, but that's how it should be, right? Because I give my 100% even if I'm not seen on camera when it comes to your close-ups. So I expect the same from my co-actor. So luckily I think I've been lucky enough that I've got all my co-actors have been so nice and spoken good things about me.
Yeah, absolutely. You know, at this stage in your career, Hina, it's been a few years for
15
you.
years.
15 years for you. Wow. And
15
you know,
years, man.
Yeah.
wow, she's a veteran now.
I think Piyush, Aaron can speak, probably put up a little light on this ki how he felt shooting with me. I think वही है इस series में तो वही है जिसके साथ मैंने सबसे ज़्यादा scenes
किया
किए
है।
हैं. तो और कोई है नहीं, वो बैठा है वहाँ पे हंस रहा है.
No, I
बट मैं बता सकती हूँ
जी.
क्योंकि उसका जो रिएक्शन होता था ना, जैसे ही वो हीना के साथ एकदम शॉट दे के आता था और जो ऐसा ब्राइटन अप होता था ना, क्योंकि आप पूरा दिन शूट करके आते हो तो आप डल हो सकते हो
जी.
बट उसके साथ रिवर्स होता था.
Oh.
एंड वो क्योंकि मैंने उसके साथ इंटरव्यूज अलग से किए व्हेन यू वर इन देयर, तब वो उस चीज को बोलता था. ही वाज ट्राइंग टू अप्रोच, आई एम सेइंग दिस ऑन द बिहाफ ऑफ पीयूष, Aaron, तो वो बोलता था कि there was a scene, he was trying to find ways how to do that scene, but he was not able to actually strike the note.
Right.
Then I think
he
Hina
said
took
that.
her somewhere like to the corner and was like, try this way, try this first, and then come to this point. Would you want to try this?
Yeah.
He's like, yes, and then it was.
Wow.
It
That's
was a
very
tick.
gracious of you. Yeah, seriously, you know, Hina,
Thank you.
because I've heard actors, you know, saying that they don't give cues, they don't help another co-actors because
No. I'm
that
very
certain sense
particular
of
about it.
insecurity.
Even if I'm not seen in the camera, I'll sit for the actor. I will give proper cues. I will react because when you react, I make sure sometimes I beg to the DOP कि please मुझे रखो so that उनका eye contact मेरे साथ हो, भले ही my shoulder is not in the frame.
Right.
Why? Because eye contact makes a lot of difference when you perform. Even if I'm not seen on camera.
Right.
That goes for my co-actor as well when I am seen. So when you make an eye contact na, and when you give reverse expressions, na, it makes a lot of difference.
Absolutely. No. You know, I just mentioned the number of years you have spent in the industry because I just want to understand from the both of you at this stage in your careers. Is there a deal breaker that you have when it comes to work, playing certain roles?
Not
Nahin?
for me, no.
Not for you? Because, you know, I read an interview, this was long back, you had said that, you know...
Long back, sweetheart. Five
No,
years
I
back, you
know.
have a different perception.
I'm sure.
2 years back, you change, you have a different
I know.
perception.
So
You understand
today,
what I'm saying?
there is no
Yeah,
such
if you
thing.
ask me today, no, I don't think so. I feel if a character demands something, it demands. It's absolutely okay. It is up to me now whether I want to take it up or not,
Sure.
right? And if I'm taking it up, I'll give it my 100%. If otherwise, I'll not take it up. But I don't think I have any issues or problems with
Okay.
any certain thing or what about you?
I think right now it's if you talk about nudity, it's complete no. It's a deal
Okay.
maker for me. But maybe again, like she said, never say
Never
never.
say never.
Yeah.
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 Right. You know, very lastly, before I want to let you go, Hina, I want to ask you something. Did you miss being at the Cannes this year?
Arey yaar, how much yaar.
Because saw you, on a back-to-back basis.
I know, but I see both the times I went for my film.
Yeah.
Right? So when I'll have a film, I'll go again. But I think, see, it's this international carpet definitely people showcase fashion, high fashion, glam, but at the same time, the festival is known for films.
Yeah.
So if I get an opportunity again, I would love to go, but I just don't want to go just for the heck of it. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
So maybe in a couple of years. But if you ask me, do I miss it? I do.
Yes.
I do.
Did you keep a tab
See, I
on the
love
red carpet?
dressing up.
Yeah,
I really enjoy dressing up. And I know a lot of people there in Cannes. So I know that I have so many opportunities to wear such amazing gowns.
Right.
It's just that I'm not there. That's all. So I miss that. Yeah. I know so many photographers. I know so many makeup artists there, hairstylists, designers. So I can everything will click like that if I go there. But it's just that I'm not there. That's it.
But you want to go for the right reason. That's what you're saying. Right.
I mean, I don't think, who am I to define right reasons or wrong reasons? Everyone is
you
there
want
for
to
the
go for
right
your
reason.
films.
I want to
Yeah,
go for when
yeah.
I have a next film in my kitty, I would go.
Wow.
Or probably with some brand, you never know.
Of course.
Yeah, isn't it? There are, as I said, what do you mean by, I mean, there is no right reason or wrong reason. Everyone is there for right reasons. यार कोई किसी चीज के लिए, कोई किसी चीज के लिए. And they are creating waves, aren't they?
Absolutely.
Right.
Did you keep a tab though?
Not really, but I did see some looks and they were nice.
Yeah,
I
absolutely.
really like that girl. She's done so
Nancy.
well. Yeah.
Nancy.
We are so proud of her, what she's done on the carpet. At the same time, I also feel ki, we have big designers, we have big names in the industry and all of that. But कितने % लोग वो outfits afford कर सकते हैं, right? So not all, right? Probably 10% of people can afford those outfits. So she really helps rest of the people who cannot afford and creates similar pieces, piece by piece, stitches them, puts in a lot of effort, and then puts it out, ki dude, you can buy this probably half a price or less than that. So that's a lot of effort, right?
So-
She's catering to a lot of people who cannot afford those expensive pieces.
Yes.
So
Yeah, very true.
so yeah, I mean, I really give it to her. I'm so proud of her.
Absolutely, absolutely. Before we end this, I will do a very quick 30-second quiz with the both of you. And since it's a new age show, we hear terms like GOAT and
Okay,
Go for it.
what was the other
मुझे
one?
जितना पता है मैं बता
So
दूँ.
we're gonna, is it a buzzer game or what?
No, there's no buzzer game. Whoever
Who is
answers
the answer?
first.
Okay.
Okay, taking the situationship and the goat from the trailer, let's take it
Okay.
ahead. Okay, these are pop culture slangs. What is breadcrumbing?
Bread crumbing. I don't
Yes.
know.
Okay, I'll tell you, Hila. It's like जिसे कहते हैं ना टुकड़ों पे जी रहे हो.
मैं तो ब्रेड क्रम्स अपने सैलेड में इसमें डालती हूँ. सॉरी, सैलेड में भी और सूप में भी.
Soup maybe. It's basically leading somebody on.
Yeah.
Okay. What is bougie?
क्या?
Bougie.
Bougie?
Hina will tell.
No, I don't know.
No?
You don't know?
Pass.
Okay, it means something fancy and luxurious.
Oh.
I don't know.
Okay, what is being salty?
Being naughty?
No.
Being jealous.
Yeah, as in,
jealous.
somebody who gets upset and angry easily.
पता नहीं, हमने तो नमक इश्क का ही सुना है.
Oh.
हमारे लिए तो.
Okay, this one is pretty easy. Simp.
Simp.
I'm simping for you. बोलते हैं ना?
I'm simping. What is simp?
Yes.
Simping for you, ये तो I think दूसरा. I thought simp is like stupid.
No.
Simping for you, routing for you.
It's like when somebody does way too much for a person that they like.
Oh, अच्छा.
It's like that. Okay, what is a soft launch?
Soft launch is like, I mean, yeah, probably you can define it better. I know it, but I'm not
Go for
getting.
it, हाँ,
No,
you
no,
can go
I'm
for
not
it.
getting the words.
So it's
maybe
like-
you can define it better.
Maybe like
Soft
you put,
launching your boyfriend.
Yes,
It's like that.
I'll take your hand and I'll put a photo. So like I'm with somebody, but with whom I'm not telling.
No,
so
I
it's
didn't
like
know
soft,
this.
soft launch.
No. Then
It's
I
like
didn't
just
know
sharing
this.
a hint.
Hint.
ना
नहीं, मेरे साथ तो
नहीं
कोई
नहीं
है
मैं
अभी.
मेरा दिमाग तो कहीं और
Acha, last one. Let's see. What's Riz?
Riz.
That's for Hina. That's you, Hina. Come on.
It's actually like a short form of a bigger word if you look at it.
You are
that
Riz,
way.
bro.
You have the Riz.
You are the Riz, bro.
Maybe you are kick-ass.
Yeah.
Go for cans. Something related to cans.
Can?
Your looks. You're Riz, bro.
Oh, I mean, you look hot, or you look beautiful.
Fashionable.
Charismatic.
You look glam.
You look glam.
एकदम. So it's charisma से Riz आता है.
Charisma. I'm going to use this word, यार. मुझे नए words सीखने को मिल रहे हैं यार. Simping, Riz.
Chalo, we taught you something today.
Thank you, madam. I swear.
After learning so much from you.
Riz.
After learning
No,
so
but
much.
clearly this round belongs to Anushka.
Are absolutely.
Absolutely. Hina and Anushka, thank you so much to both of you. I loved that we covered almost everything. Fashion se leke, films tak, performances tak. All the very best for Namakool.
Thank you. Thank you so much.